Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. Today I will show you a complete lacework tutorial demonstrating how to give a new look by cutting and separating lace for a unique design. Let's begin. This design is versatile. You can use it in multiple ways, such as on a palazzo, sleeves, or even on a party dress to enhance its beauty. First, as you can see, I have separated the lace into two parts. I attach one part of the lace onto a mesh cloth in corner pattern. I sew the top side like this, ensuring it stays secure. Then I attach the remaining half in a crosswise direction. I repeat the same process on the other top side to make sure it doesn't come off. Next, we will reverse the pattern on the sleeve or palazzo and stitch it in place. After attaching the lace, I add another part underneath the pattern. Then I fold it straight and sew it neatly. Finally, I top stitch on both sides for a clean and finished look. To make the design more gorgeous, I am adding another lace to the bottom and top stitching it for a neat finish. I am also top stitching on the top side for extra detailing. To elevate the design further, I am joining additional lace to the bottom side and adding another lace on the top side. Once done, I remove the paper backing. And now you can see how stunning the design look. This kind of design is perfect for wearing a party. It's elegant and eye-catching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. This new video is specially made for you. So stay tuned for more creative design from Stich Muse. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.